Unmasking the Hidden Clichés, an advanced vocabulary journey. Hello, language explorers. Today, we are diving deep into the fascinating world of idiomatic expressions, specifically clichés. We'll learn how to spot them and why it's often a good idea to avoid overusing them in our speech and writing. By the end of this lesson, you'll become a pro in recognizing clichés. Clichés are phrases or expressions that have been used so frequently in speech and writing that they've lost their original punch. They are often trite and lack originality. For instance, phrases like, "at the end of the day," or "better late than never," are classic examples of clichés. While clichés can help convey ideas quickly due to their widespread understanding, overuse can lead to dull and uninteresting language. This is why we should strive to use them sparingly and consciously. Recognizing clichés can be a bit challenging, but there are a few tips you can employ. 1. Familiarity. If you've heard or seen an expression numerous times before, it's probably a cliché. 2. Predictability. Clichés are predictable. If you can easily complete the phrase without much thought, it's likely a cliché. 3. Generalization. Clichés often make sweeping generalizations. Phrases like, "all that glitters is not gold," are broad statements that don't account for individual differences or nuances. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you read and listen to English, the easier it will become to identify clichés. Once you're comfortable identifying clichés, the next step is to replace them with more original and interesting expressions. Try to communicate the same idea, but in a fresh and unique way. Instead of saying, "avoid like the plague," you could say, "avoid with intense purpose," which conveys the same meaning but with a twist. And there you have it. You're now better equipped to spot those sneaky clichés lurking in everyday conversations and writings. Remember, clichés aren't inherently bad, but overuse can dull your language. So keep practicing, stay aware, and strive for a vibrant and unique language style. Happy exploring, and until next time, keep your language learning journey exciting.